Tommy Rowe scores and sends Peterborough United back to Wembley.
92, the dream's alive. Wembley, the Posh arrive. 1-0 up, give one away. Then Charlery saves the day. 8 years on, back again. Same team, different men. The mood is right, the stage is set. And Clark at one in Darlow's net. Announcement to be made. The Canton need to save the day. He's got a plan for number one. And Fergie is the chosen one. Georgie Boyd on the wing, the Mac attack. Bang him in. Charlie Lee has got control. London Road, the place for goal. Posh, I've got the fire. Gonna go to Wembley. Gonna lift the trophy. Posh, I've got the fire. You know we love you, Barbara, so let's win another. Leeds on in red colours, stumble under 6 yards. London Road is on his feet, the family stand his bums off seats. Grant McCann from the spot, Bobby stops another shot. Boswick heads it off the line, the whistle goes, it's extra time. Posh, I've got the